Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you how to insert a fuser unit in a 301. So we took it out already, but anyway, the process of taking it in is the same as putting it out because we use the same screws, same procedure. So we're just replacing the hot roller on that old one, of which I was supposed to show you, but I didn't show you that. Maybe in the next video I will do so. So this is the old hot roller. We took it out from that, so now we got another one which we're gonna just insert in here. You can see, I think we have some cleanups here a bit. Yeah, so guys, be patient with us. We saw some part which we have to a bit clean up before we put it in. Yeah. Okay. So I wanted to, because it goes in here, it has, you see this socket, that's where you're gonna put in the cables. Okay, so you can see that's the way you see it has that cable. So once you put it in here like that, okay, then I'm gonna show you, wait, I'm gonna show you this side, on which we're gonna put it on the motherboard. Okay, that's it. That's the only plug you have to plug in. Done. So plug it in there. It's the same thing as a 201. I think I did a video on that. Okay. Then make sure you put in those. They're just 3. Okay. That's it. Now the only thing we need to do is the screws. Wow, it's challenging here. I don't know if that's the same. So you can see there's that part also. So done with that. Out. It was not supposed to be there. Well, yeah, that's it. I'll show you after when we're done, because the space is so small and I don't want to mess up with the technician's space. But you've seen how to put it in. Just those are screws which goes in there. So I managed to put in one there. Okay, after doing that, then we're gonna put the last one, which was the first one. Something incredible. Then we can connect the door. The door also has one plug which you put it in there, and just that little thing you put it to hold it. Once we're done with that, then the cover. the screw there. Let's see. It's fine. Switch on the machine. No. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just make what they call a counter copy. Counter. Taking longer, but it's gonna work. Okay, then it's gonna say print counter. Then you press here. It printed fine, but it has that black thing at the back. But anyway, that's fine. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I think that's the way we do that. We can maybe do another one. You see, the more you print, the more it cleans up. The more you print, the more it cleans up. You see, now we have 2 of them. I see another little line here, which I'm not that much familiar with. To avoid wasting paper, I'm gonna put back these and make more printout on another side. So print. Okay, so print. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. We're done, guys. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you in the next video. So that's the way we change the fuser. The fuser replaced the fuser unit.